Right, what I've done is I've been a bit silly and I bought cheap brake pads off eBay. Not the best idea. So all they do is squeak, like properly squeak. Everywhere you go, like, you just touch them, it's like, oh. There's loads of meat on them, but they're just crap. I think, I might be wrong, that, how's that, any better? I think it's due to high metal content in the pads and the metal squeaks. I might be wrong. But anyway, so I bought some apparently really good ones this time from SES, because that was the only place I could go. PPF braking. Never heard of them, but apparently they're pretty good. So we'll give them a go. Just gonna go and get them fitted now. So why didn't you come along with me? Take this little cap off, one at the top and one at the bottom. I think it's a T45, is it? Yes it is, TX45. Right, remove the slider pin. It should be greased up nicely, which this one is, and I can't even get it. Oh, come on. So what I do is I get the socket, and I just sort of put it at a funny angle and pull it, and it sort of grips it. There you go, top tip. And just give that a clean. What you need to remember is they are different, so the top one, I think it's shorter than the bottom one. Cleaned out these little channels here and here and here as much as I can. I've also, how well you can see that, just sort of got all the grime off these as much as I can. Clean the piston, clean that back, and just giving it a good going over a brake cleaner, so hopefully that should help. So put the pads in. I'm going to put the pads in and then see where we're at. Well, I use this brake grease from APEC. Seems quite good. Just, I don't know if you can see that, put a little bit here around the edges. Same here. Then I also put a bit on each of these little bits, just so they slide in easier into the piston hole thing. Just be careful you don't get it on this bit. Bit of grease on the sliders. So, I have done 200 miles on these pads now. I'll just turn this aircon down a bit. There we go. Right, I've done 200 odd miles on these pads now. I've sort of like just taken it easy on them. No harsh braking yet. And I can already feel, like straight away, they bite better. It's more of a pedal feel there. Just from changing the pads, I've done nothing else. This the same, fluids all the same, everything's the same. But I've got better bite, and there's literally no noise whatsoever now, which is like the main thing that was doing my head in. So, much better. Success. Lesson to be learned here: don't buy cheap pads, because you pay peanuts, you get monkeys, as they say. Yeah, I'm happy. The stop is a lot better. Yeah, I just thought I'd upload this, another one of those little videos that's might be useful. Some of them might be like, oh, I've got the squeakiest brakes in the world. Just cheap pads, that's what it is. I never buy cheap stuff normally, but these discs came with 3 pads. The discs are pretty good, but if I'll chuck the pads in, see what they're like. No good. So, lesson learned. Spend the extra, get the better pads. These are a lot better. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you did like the video, give us a like down there, the little thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. Anything else to say? Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.